Hi, and welcome to our video. I wanted to go over in this video how I install a balance because I know it was one of the things when I started fixing watches was very difficult for me. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the balance, show you how to correctly install the balance and where the pallet fork needs to be. I'm going to show you what it looks like to have an overbanked balance. So right here, this is the pallet fork right here, and the pallet fork can go in two positions. Go in the high position or the low position. When you go to put in your balance, you want to make sure the balance jewel is going to sweep into the pallet fork. Most people turn their balance to the outside, so you put the balance fork in the up position. So when you put your balance in and then you turn the balance cock in the right direction, the balance jewel hits the pallet fork and puts it into the right position. There we go. That's how to correctly install the balance. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like when the balance is not correctly installed. It's called overbanking. See how the pallet fork is in the low position now? If I try to install the balance with it in the low position, the balance jewel is going to bump up against the wrong side of the pallet fork and it's going to get locked into place. The way you can tell this is once you get it into position, you'll feel you'll feel the balance rotate in one direction, but then when it goes to rotate in the other direction, it'll bounce off the pallet fork and won't go back and forth correctly. I was having a little trouble getting this in to the right position. But eventually I get it in the right position and it looks a little something like this. So see how the balance never rotates fully through? So that's how you correctly install a balance.